Hello everybody, today again I have come back with a science chapter, that is adaptations for survival in plants. You must have seen my video of adaptations for survival in animals. What do you mean by adaptations? Adaptations mean the plants have developed different features in order to survive in different places. So this special feature of an organism allows to live in a special area. This is known as adaptation. Right? For example, cactus plant. You know, cactus plants are adapted to grow in desert area where there is very less rainfall. Right? That is why its leaves are reduced to spine, cactus leaves. Right? Now, I have taught you in my earlier video habitats of animals. In this, we will see the habitats of plants. So, first, now let us discuss about habitat. So, what do you mean by habitat first? Right? Habitats mean the region where living things naturally live or it is grown naturally. It is called habitats. Now, these habitats are categorized, classified into two types, right? So now we will see the two types of habitats in plants. Now, as I have told you, habitats of plants are categorized into two types. One is terrestrial plants and other is aquatic plants, right? Now, first of all, see, this chapter is very important. When you will read and try to understand, you will not understand. So that is why I am trying to explain you in an easy way. So terrestrial plants, like you know, the plants which grows on land are called terrestrial plants. And the aquatic plants, the plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. So first of all, we will learn about terrestrial plants, right? So terrestrial plants are further divided into 5 parts, that is in plains, deserts, hills, marshy places and coastal areas, right? So one by one we will see about the terrestrial plants. So terrestrial plants are further divided into number 1 plains, then number 2 desert, number 3 hills, that means hilly area, number 4 marshy places and number 5 coastal areas. Now look here. Plains mean the plants that grow in plain areas. Which are those plants? Neem tree, mango tree, right? All those trees, they grow in plains. Why they can grow only in that plains? Because here we are getting moderate, the climate is hot in summer and cold in winter, right? And the trees have many branches. They have many branches and they shed their leaves, especially in autumn, and bear new leaves in spring season, right? So, and the trees which I told you, the grow here are mango, then sesame, peepal, neem, etc. So this is the special feature of the plants that grow on land, plains, right? For example, mango, peepal, sesame, etc. Right? So these trees grow on plains. Now we will see the plants that grow in desert areas, right? Now you know in desert areas, there we are getting less rainfall, right? So because of less rainfalls, plants are adapted to survive with least amount of water. In such plants, the leaves are either reduced or they are disappear. So who prepares food for these plants? You know, the stem of the plant prepares the food for the plant because they are green in color. Understood? So here, because of less rainfall, so here you are getting less rainfall, so leaves are reduced to spines or disappear. That is why stem of these plants which are green, say in color because of the chlorophyll, and they prepares food for the plants. So which are those plants that grow in desert? Like prickly pear, as I told you, cactus, right? Date palm, khajur bolte hai na. So these plants grow in desert area. Now we will come to the plants which grow in hilly region. When you go upstairs, higher on the mountain side. So which plants grow and what is the climatic condition of those plants? We will discuss about that. So the climate in such places are very cold. You know, you must have gone for your picnic or whatever. So your holidays. So in the climate in such places is very cold and snowfall is frequent. Therefore, the trees here, the trees are tall. They are very tall and straight. It is straight. See, the shape of the trees are like this. Okay, here in the mountain region, and conical in shape. Conical shape. Why? So that the snow falls easily. It will remove out of the trees and it will not spoil the trees. Right? So conical shape allow snow to slide down easily. That is why it has conical shape. The trees are tall also. Right? And the leaves are waxy. The leaves of these trees are wax hota hai na? उसके लिए, so that the no water will left on the top of the leaves and the trees will not fall down easily, right? So and needle like leaves, the leaves of these trees are waxy and needle like. यहाँ पे देखो needle की तरह होते. Is that clear? So example of these are fir tree, pine tree and cedar tree. So these type of plants, trees grow on hilly region. So this is their special feature. Now we will see the plants which is grow in marshy places. Have you seen the marshy places? Have you heard about this? Here the roots are not under the soil. In marshy places, roots पानी के अंदर नहीं, जमीन के अंदर नहीं होते. They are above the soil but in water, right? So these are the areas where soil is clayey and very sticky. Clayey होती है और sticky होती है, right? So due to high water content, the root do not get sufficient air. पानी इतना होता है इसलिए रूट्स को एयर सफिशिएंट नहीं मिल रही है. सो thus these plants develop and give out breathing root for breathing, right? For example, mangroves है वो यहाँ पे marshy places में grow करता है. ठीक है? So as I told you, the soil is clayey or very sticky. The soil is clayey or sticky. And the roots are sticky and the roots grow above the soil. That is why the root grow above the soil and in the water. They don't get sufficient air. Right? So which, for example, mangrove grow in marshy places. This is the special feature of the marshy places. Now, last, we will see about coastal areas. Coastal means near the water side. So, they have hot and wet climate. वहाँ पे climate कैसा आता है? Either it is very hot or it is wet climate. So, trees are adapted to grow in the presence of salty water. Here near the coastal area, the water is salty, right? So they have plenty of leaves and the leaves do not shade throughout the year. पूरे साल तक coastal area में जो भी plants grow होते, trees grow होते, उसके leaves fall off नहीं होते throughout the year. So which are those trees? Those trees are coconut tree, नारियल का पेड़, teak wood which we are using as the furniture, right? And the rubber tree. These trees are grow near the coastal areas, right? So this is about the terrestrial plants. In that it is further divided into 5 categories. First of all, first is plains, then deserts, then hills, then marshy places, and last is the coastal area. The special features of different plains, deserts, hills, marshy places and coastal areas are these. And the examples of plains, the trees which grow on plains are mango, peepal, shishan, etc. Deserts, because of less rainfall, here prickly pear, cactus, date palm, right? And hilly region, because of the frequently snowfall, the trees are tall in conical shape, their leaves are waxy and the needle shape, so that the snowfall fall off easily from the trees. Which trees grow here? Fir, pine, cedar. And in marshy places, the soil is clayey and sticky, so the roots do not get proper air in water. So mangrove grows in marshy places. And finally, in coastal areas, it is salty water and the leaves do not shed throughout the year. So coconut tree, teak and rubber tree grows near the coastal areas.